Hello and welcome to the Pain-Free Project's Neck Pain Soft Tissue Routine. This is a 5-minute video covering 7 spots of soft tissue work along the neck and upper shoulder. The purpose of these videos is to desensitize or calm down your pain prior to doing exercise. For the first spot, you are going to place a tennis ball, a cross ball, 2 inches below the top of the shoulder. And as we get started here, let's go 3 deep breaths. Take a deep breath in and just feel the pressure of the ball. And out. 2 more breaths. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out. And 1 more breath in. And out. And we're going to start adding some arm movement in. So on the side of the ball, bring the arm across your body and back. So you're flossing the movement with your arm, changing the pressure across the ball as you reach across your body and as you bring it back. Go again here, across your body and back. 1 more. Keeping the ball in the same spot, you're going to start reaching up overhead and bring it back down. 3 more here, and as you reach overhead, you should feel more pressure across the ball. 2 more. Last one on the reach, all the way up, and then get ready to change the position of the ball. You're going to bring it up an inch or 2 from the previous location, and now it's going to be near the location of the first rib. As you can see in the video, either put a pillow under your low back or do an active bridge movement, as I'm doing, and then take a few breaths here. You may have to hold the ball in place using your opposite hand. Once you've gotten comfortable with the position, start rolling your hand in and out. This is active shoulder rotation. Again, changing the pressure across the ball by moving your shoulder. Lower the hips down, and then we are going to our 3rd spot, which is the base of the neck. Again, with this location, I recommend placing your hand there for support. And we're going to add in some active neck rotation, 5 rotations side to side, placing more pressure across the ball as you lean into it, and a little bit less as you move away. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Don't forget to breathe as you're doing these movements. Now we're taking the ball to the back side of the shoulder. The neck and shoulder work hand in hand, and so having good muscle activation and stability in these regions is very important. Roll over to your side to increase the pressure and start with some deep breathing again. In a moment, we're going to add in some shoulder rotation, moving in and out from the arm. Bring the arm back and forth. This is warming up the rotator cuff, but then also loosening or relaxing the muscles in the back side of the shoulder, the teres muscles, and the back side of the rotator cuff. Next, we're going to the back side of the deltoid, which is the teardrop muscle on the back of the arm, and continue with the shoulder rotation. Adding movement to these soft tissue things is really good for changing around the tension of the nervous system. Then you're going to place the ball back deep into closer to the insertion of the latissimus dorsi muscle. Again, roll onto your side. And now we're going to add in some trunk rotation. As you roll back and forth, you'll almost feel that ball pressure change as you rock your body weight over it and then back. From here, have your arm and neck in a comfortable position as you roll back and forth. Just 1 more spot. Final location is going to be in the middle back. So earlier we were at the 2nd rib, now you're going to bring it down really closer to the base of the shoulder blade. Rest here for just a second, taking a deep breath in, and then we're going to start adding some small chin tucks to the movement. Pulling your chin back towards the mat and relaxing. A few chin tucks here, and as you tuck your chin in, You're creating tension all the way down into your middle back. We're going to finish this video with your arms in an overhead position, and as you reach overhead, be sure to keep your core lightly engaged. You'll feel tension across your middle back as you do this. As you finish in the resting position, be sure to check us out on Facebook at Heafner Health PT, and as always, share this video with your friends, and please comment below. If you are having low back pain, I highly encourage you to check out our low back pain program at painfreeproject.teachable.com.